What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, man. And today, I just want to go over some key things y'all need to keep in mind for the upcoming week in the stock market to be able to make some money in both directions on calls and puts. The biggest news and the hottest news to keep in mind for this week that might help move the market either way, man. And how you should be executing these trades when the stock market opens on Tuesday, man. So without further ado, let's get straight into the money, man. So first things first, man. As y'all know, the market will be closed tomorrow, which is Monday, the 20th, man, for MLK Day, and it is also Inauguration Day, man. And what does this mean? This is the second time that Trump will be hitting office, and Monday he is getting in office. So from a trading standpoint, this means that the market is going to be way more volatile. This means stronger moves to the upside and stronger moves to the downside. So with this being said, you need to move into this trading week with the mindset of, okay, I may not need to go as heavy on these contracts when I'm trading until I have confirmation either to the upside or the downside. This means you also need to be making your stop losses a little bit wider, because again, there's going to be heavier moves in both directions, which is why if you want to keep the same profit and loss ratio, man, you need to be averaging down or going smaller on the quantity of contracts. So if you are new to trading options, I'm going to briefly explain it for you right quick. It's a better way to leverage your money in the stock market and capitalize off of smaller moves in the stock market versus buying and holding shares and having to hold a stock from $500 to $1,000 for you to double your money off of shares. You understand what I'm saying? So when you're trading options, you only need to see $3 to $5 moves to see 100% gains on your contracts, and depending on if you're copying calls and saying that a stock is going to go above your strike price, or puts saying that a stock is going to go below your strike price. You understand what I'm saying? And if you want a more in-depth explanation on everything about trading options, we did cover all of that in the last video, man. So make sure y'all go watch that after this video ends, man. But let's get into the charts. So as y'all can see, we got ticker symbol SPY pulled up on TradingView, man. And if you don't know what TradingView is, this is where you do all your tech analysis and can look at the charts more in depth and gives you more dimensions on what a stock is doing and confirmation versus just watching a linear line go up and down on your Robinhood or Webull account. You understand what I'm saying? So this is essential. Make sure you make an account. If you don't have one, it's totally free. But as you can see, the last couple weeks, man, we was very bearish on SPY, kept making lower highs. And what are lower highs, man? This just means that the resistance point, the price point that the stock had trouble going up above, man, it kept getting lower and lower as the days went on, man. But as y'all see, this last week, we broke a key level of 590, held it, came back down to retest, and then shot up past the key level of 594. And what was really good on the bullish side, bullish meaning the buyer side, you understand what I'm saying? What was really good to see on their side was that we held this key area of 594 to 595 where we kept selling off heavy from, man. Y'all see we barely held it right there, man, faded out above it. So down past it right here really hard, man, and was still making lower highs. We could not get back up to test 600 for nothing. But as y'all can see, we did hold that point in the broader aspect of things on Friday, which was the last trading day, man. So with that being said, man, if we scroll to the left for confirmation on our charts, we can see after we break 595 and hold 595, the next area to be on the lookout for is 600. And I believe we almost tapped it, see 599.4. So these key areas on SPY definitely hold true a lot of the times. So I want to keep scrolling over for more confirmation. You understand what I'm saying? How does this react when we get up here? You see, we made it past 600 on this day, but only got to 601, only to sell off heavy, man. But when we were truly bullish and back above 600, man, or 601, where was the next price target that we can say was a good resistance area? 604. It can't hold past 604 a couple of times, and 605. So I want y'all to keep the 604 to 605 price targets on y'all charts, man. If we do break back above 600 and don't fake out, what is a fake out, man? Let's find a fake out on the chart right quick if we can on the 15-minute. Okay, so y'all see how on this day, right, if we go to this Wednesday, how at one point 590 was a key level, right? But if you would have hopped in calls as soon as it broke 590, right, you would have got stopped out on calls because it came right back down. This is what we call a fake out of a key level. You'll understand what I'm saying. Let me see if I can find a better fake out. Okay, this fake out of this key 598 area, for real, I wouldn't have even hopped in calls right there because this is near the key 600 area that we was talking about, and you never want to buy into calls near resistance, man, because the risk to reward doesn't make sense. So what to keep in mind for this week, man, is breaking and holding and not getting faked out above 600 to 601, man. If we do reach back above there, we are going to be very bullish on SPY, man, and we did just pull back a lot, so I wouldn't be surprised if, especially running into the inauguration, that we keep seeing buyers step into the market on this. You understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, if it doesn't break and hold 600, man, and let's say we try to tiptoe up to 600 and then the sellers, these red candles, start outweighing the greens, man, I want y'all to look for a reversal play on Tuesday off of 600 and Brad puts it back down to this liquidity zone at 593. You understand what I'm saying? We might take the scenic route to get there, but we are going to get there, man. And as y'all can see, I'm not doing no capping on this execution, man. Let me go to the Discord right quick to show y'all some of the games. Shout out to Discord, man. We've definitely been bankrolling these past couple of weeks since the New Year's started, man, and even before. Let me scroll up. We've been doing a lot of chit-chatting today, man, on Trump crypto coin that's been going up. Everybody been talking. Hold on. Okay, as y'all can see right here, man, we made some money on Apple last week, man. We made crazy money on SPY calls. Y'all see we do this every day in the Discord, man. And I give y'all my rationale as to why I'm dropping these signals and when you should sell. You understand what I'm saying? Let's go to testimonials and gains right quick. So as y'all can see, man, we hitting price targets every day. So if you do want to consider joining the Discord, that's where I drop all my live signals at, man. This is where I give more one-on-one type of mentorships, man. You can hit the chat up, hit me up as anything, man. But I ain't going to keep y'all too long today. That's all I wanted to put on y'all radar. And without further ado, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the market.